Welcome to training program. A second method of definition of section. We will explain how to define section in plate mode. From different menu, select the section frame option. In the next window, click at New Properties button. In Shape section list, select SC section option. Select desired shape. And open Film. First enter name of your section. I choose the following name, which is optional. Now we complete film based on desired section details, such as total depth, top flange weight, top flange thickness, web thickness, bottom flange weight, bottom flange thickness. No need to fill out the fillet radius. Thanks for watching.